This guide will help you download tax documents from RealtyMogul in a few simple steps. Follow the instructions carefully to ensure you retrieve your documents without any issues. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to the dashboard. Once logged in, locate the dashboard. This is typically the main page you see after logging in, where you can find various account options and information. Step 3. Access the Documents section. Look for a section labeled Documents or Tax Documents in the dashboard menu. Click on this section to view all available documents related to your investments. Step 4. Select the tax year. In the Documents section, you may see a list of tax documents organized by year. Choose the specific tax year for which you need the documents by clicking on the appropriate link or drop-down menu. Step 5. Download the documents. After selecting the tax year, you should see the available tax documents listed. Click on the download link for each document you need. The files will typically download in PDF format, which you can save to your device. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully download your tax documents for RealtyMogul. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to the customer support for assistance.